Well, good afternoon. Here in Starkville, we are seeing cloudy, overcast skies with temperatures in the low 70s and very much air you can kind of wear with a dew point in the 63s. We have a very southeast wind blowing at 11 miles an hour, but the wind gusts are really what is interesting about it. These wind gusts are getting strong. Even in Winona, seeing 30 miles an hour. Starkville, you're at 23. But that wind is also blowing in a bunch of clouds and rain. These clouds are almost blowing perpendicular to that rain, or to that. These clouds are almost blowing perpendicular to that wind, those wind gusts, bringing in just a little bit of rain expected in the southernmost portion near Louisville, Macon especially. That is coming in, blowing in from the Gulf of Mexico. Now, that is a whole big system ranging all the way from the Gulf, Louisiana, all the way to Illinois with a bunch of rain and a cold front that is driving that to the east. But over the next 24 hours, we can expect to see a bunch of showers this afternoon and especially tonight with some thunderstorm chances and temperatures in the the mid 50s. Sorry about that. Tomorrow, highs will be in the mid 60s with partly cloudy skies. Not much rain expected, just very partly cloudy, and we'll hope to see some sun tomorrow. Now, tomorrow, over the next few hours and this afternoon, we will have a bunch of rain sort of roll in from the west with 3 p.m. today, Winona sort of seeing the worst of it, and that'll sort of progress throughout over the next few hours with a bunch of rain, especially in the southern portion, even the southwest portion of northeast Mississippi, and that's sort of being driven by this cold front that's blowing in to the east. Now, after that cold front sort of passes through, these rains are going to blow all the way into Alabama here, and then right behind this cold front is just a little bit of clouds, just a little bit of showers. But by Thursday morning, your daily commute to work or school or wherever you have to be, it'll be sunny. There will be sunshine and clouds, but that rainfall is actually not going to upset that drought. It's not going to take that drought that we've been experiencing out of commission, with Starkville only seeing inch and a half of rain, and Eupora mostly getting the brunt of it at 1.75 inches. That's not really going to impact this drought that we've been experiencing. We would need a lot more rain. But what it will do, it will sort of decrease our temperatures over the next week, where Thursday, it's going to be in the mid 60s on the highs, going to dip down at just a few degrees and slowly rise up back into the mid 70s. And then Wednesday, we'll be taking a dip, a massive dip, as an Arctic blast sort of rolls through the south, all over the south. And our lows for this next coming week are also going to be seeing temperatures going to be reflected in that, with even in the low 40s as of Thursday, Friday night, and very cloudy skies and maybe just a little bit of rain on Monday and Tuesday of your next work week.